They say we should make hay while the sun is shining. This is the best time for you to prepare yourself for your 2023. If you want to make money online in 2023, then you must have very good skills that you must be able to present so that you can earn money online in 2023. I'm going to show you shortly about a website where you can learn over 45,000 courses for free. Before I go ahead, I need to let you know that if you are thinking of how to make money online, the best thing for you to do is to know soft skills. So look at the website now, get on it, and then get yourself a good life in 2023.
So go to Google, click on Google, and then you type Digitaldefynd, and then you scroll down, you see digitaldefynd.com. You have access to 4 million plus learners that are learning online with over 90,000 courses. Now we have over 45,000 courses there that are free for you, and some courses are there from Harvard University, Stanford, MIT, and some other global universities. You can learn coding, marketing, data science, design, personal growth, and even real estate business. So what are you waiting for? Go there now and then get certified, and then you start making money online. See you in the next video. If you love this video, please subscribe and then follow for more.